In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-accounts in the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This process is essential for organizing your financial data more efficiently, allowing for detailed tracking and management of your accounting information. First, let's begin by heading over to Zoho Books. You'll want to log in, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're in, the main dashboard will appear, displaying various financial summaries and options. It's here you'll find your entry point to the accounting functionalities we need. Next, focus your attention on the side menu. Locate and click on the Accountant tab. This section holds all the essential accounting tools that Zoho Books has to offer. Clicking it brings you closer to managing your company's potential sub-accounts effectively. Within the Accountant section, the next step is to select Chart of Accounts. This action takes us to a comprehensive overview of all existing accounts in a structured format. Here, you'll be able to navigate through your financial setup effortlessly and see how everything is currently categorized. With the chart of accounts visible, move your cursor to the New option and click on it. This initiates the process of adding a new entry, paving the way for categorizing your accounts more intricately. It opens up a form where you'll input the crucial details for your new sub-account. Now you're in the input form. The first thing to do here is to choose an account type from the drop-down menu. This selection is vital as it determines how your account will be categorized within your financial records. Think carefully about where your new sub-account will fit best. Once you have selected the account type, it's time to type in a meaningful account name. The account name should be specific enough for anyone reviewing your books to understand the purpose of that account at a glance. Names play a critical role in the clarity of your financial documentation. After inputting the account name, proceed by entering an account code. Account codes help with quick identification and are important for maintaining organized accounting records. These codes are typically a sequence of numbers or letters, which further classify the sub-account. You're almost there. Next, you should enter a description for the sub-account. This description serves as a reference point, clearly explaining any nuances of the sub-account that might not be immediately apparent through the name or code. An effective description is concise yet informative. Finally, after reviewing all the details you've filled in, click on the Save button. This saves your new sub-account within the chart of accounts in Zoho Books, ready for use in your financial management activities. Remember, comprehensive sub-account management not only eases internal tracking, but also enhances reporting accuracy. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sub-account in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you will keep your charts organized and efficient, ensuring your accounting process remains seamless.